Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to favorite a list on ClickUp. Maybe you want to quickly access a prioritized list containing important or frequently used tasks. So today I'm going to show you how to favorite a list on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on the freelance icon at the top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on Spaces. In this list of spaces, select the one that contains the list that you want to favorite. Once you have found the list, simply tap on it. Now, in this page, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, a window with various options will appear, and here, since you wanted to favorite this list, simply tap on this Add to Favorites option. After that, you now have successfully favorite a list on ClickUp. The list is now easily accessible from this sidebar, allowing you to stay focused on the most important work. There you go. If you wanted to know how to favorite a list on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to favorite a list on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.